Hello, this is Emil with Divorce in Florida Online, and today I wanted to talk to you about this form, which is part of the Divorce with Children packet. Okay, whenever you file for divorce in the state of Florida, and you have minor children, children that are less than 18 or disabled, you need to also complete this form needs to be filed with the divorce. And this form is the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act affidavit. The reason why this form is very important and the reason why I'm bringing it up is because I'm getting a lot of phone calls of people wanting to file for divorce in Florida. However, the children do not live in Florida. And this is the reason why I personally won't um, do a divorce where the children don't live in Florida, because I know that this form basically tells the judge if the judge has jurisdiction over the children or not. There are judges that will go through with the divorce, but nothing to do with the children will be touched if the children if the judge does not feel that the children if the judge has authority over the children's decisions jurisdiction, right? So one of the things, this is very important, like on our intake we ask for the last 5 years where the children lived, and this is the reason why, because this form needs to be filled out and it needs to be like the absolute 5 last years. So as you can tell here in bold, within the last 5 years where the child lived. And so, we go through this and we're very meticulous so there's no gaps. And it should show within, it should show the judge that the child, no matter where the child was born, but that the child has lived sufficient amount of time in Florida for the judge to feel that Florida is the right jurisdiction. Otherwise, the judge won't take, the won't feel comfortable making decisions on the divorce. So, this form has up to 3 children. You can always add. Basically, what we do is that we kind of copy and paste the fields, and we create another page. We add another page. Another thing on this form that is important is that all of these things are selected. So they want to see if there was participation in custody or time sharing proceedings with another party. This is important if the children, for example, are living with someone else, like a grandma or auntie or someone else that's responsible for them. So this is where you would say that yes, there has been some kind of litigation, custody proceeding in this or another state, and that that therefore somebody else needs to be involved with this proceeding. Um, it's rare, but in case of it, but it does happen. And then information about custody retention proceedings, and if there's been another, again, another case involving, usually this is a yes, this is a yes. So, I mean, but it has to be done separately. And then, if there's any other person that has physical custody or claims to have parental responsibility or time sharing custody station, again, um, same question, basically same. But this one actually goes into who has the fit, and this is only if it's not the parents, so it's somebody else, a third party. And then so it goes deeper into that. And then knowledge of prior child support proceedings, if there's already a child support proceeding, not only do you have to put it here, you also have to put it on another form, which is um, the notice of related cases. So that's another form that also needs to be added to the mix of forms. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video because I am getting a lot of questions related to that. And so I wanted to be kind of make this out there, because so if you're filing for divorce in Florida and you have minor children, just make sure that the children live in the state of Florida, even if they don't live with you. Now, if you're doing a divorce with children by publication, meaning you don't know the whereabouts, you don't know where the children are, of course, we will fill this out to the best of their ability. Like if they went to a different country or they live in a different state, or you don't know exactly where they live, then we would still feel as that was for the last 5 years. Now, if the children are like in another country, then the judge will automatically understand that he can make decisions over the children. So there's going to be no financial, no child support assigned, none of that, because obviously the children are nowhere to be found. We don't know where they are, and you will get your divorce. So this is really mostly into the mutual agreement by summons, not necessarily by the divorce by publication. The divorce by publication, it wouldn't matter that they don't live in Florida. But so I needed to make that clarification because I know I'm going to get questions about that. All right. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions related to the forms, obviously this is our business, so we can't give you all the secret sauce. But we'll try. But if there's something that you have questions about, you can always call us. As long as they're not legal questions about your rights, we don't answer those. We defer that to the professionals on the legal field, which are only attorneys, licensed attorneys. Someone like myself, a document preparer, or a notary or a paralegal cannot answer questions related to your rights and that sort of thing. The only thing we can do is about the forms. That's it. End of story, nothing else. Our number is 800-474-1970. Website is divorceinfloridaonline.com. Until the next video. Bye.